Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you a shampoo that I love to use and will leave your hair smelling delicious. This is the Davines OI Nourishing Shampoo for all hair types. I love this shampoo for a lot of reasons, and one of the main reasons is that it is one of the best smelling shampoos I've ever had. It smells delicious and I love that. I love to use it and take it with me if I'm traveling, as it's the perfect size to fit in my travel bag. It's small, but the amount that I need to lather it up is small, so it lasts me a long time. After washing my head, I feel that my hair is soft and easy to detangle, and after drying my hair, it looks super shiny, it's super soft, and it smells great too. So if you're looking for a shampoo that leaves your hair smelling good, looking good, and feeling great, this is one of the best ones. This is the Davines OI Nourishing Shampoo for all hair types. I love it so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.